With our tiny tool for Align, you can align objects or groups quickly and easily. The first 6 buttons are already familiar from Photoshop, except that in Photoshop they are not always available. For example, if you don't have the Move tool active, you won't even see them. And when the tool mode is set to selection and you only have a layer active without an actual selection, the buttons are grayed out. With the Align plugin, however, these functions are always ready at your fingertips. No need to switch tools or change settings. Additionally, you have another button that centers the selected layers or groups both, horizontally and vertically at once. The plugin also allows you to align objects to the nearest guideline. The right-click menu gives you even more options along with the corresponding keyboard shortcuts. For example, Alt-click aligns a duplicate of the selected layer. As you can see here, the alignment options that relate to selections are only available if there is a selection and a layer is active. In that case, a left-click aligns the active layer to the selection. You can also align a duplicate to the selection and even clear the selection afterward if needed. The same works with multiple layers or a group, of course. You can even align the selection itself, either to the document edges or to the nearest guide. I hope I could show you how much our Align plugin can simplify your workflow. Download the free trial now and see for yourself.